Hello! As you know, for some time now, I've been developing a product that helps 3D printer users who feed filament from a filament dryer, as well as users who own large format machines. This product is a filament buffer, and its role is to store about 50 millimeters of material in front of the machine, using an extruder motor that continuously adjusts the buffering speed according to the actual filament consumption. This filament buffer that I am holding in my hand will be the Pro version. There are, or there will be, two versions. One standard version, and the other one will be the light version. The difference between them is that the Pro version can manage up to 7 light units through this pin header. Also, this expansion port row on the device will be suitable for performing several other tasks. Filament runout sensors can be connected to it, as well as various feedback signals, control boxes, and other things can be handled with it. It can even control heating. So a lot of different things can be connected to this port row. Up here, there is a status indicator slot. I will still refine this a little to make it look nicer, but this is roughly what you can see on top. On the front side of the Pro version, or more precisely on this side, there are 3 buttons, while the standard version only has 2. The reason the Pro version has 3 buttons on the side is that one of them is a channel selector button, so it can manage the 7 light versions that can be connected here at the back on the port side. The other 2 buttons are the filament load and unload buttons. So with one of them, you can preload the filament toward the machine, and with the other one, you can retract and store the filament back. Let's look at the bottom of the unit. I created 2 mounting points here so it can be attached to almost anything. What is on it right now is this slide-in rail mount. With the matching counterpart which fits in here, it can be attached to the side of a machine, either glued on or screwed on. This is one side, or the front, or whatever we want to call this side of the product. It has a notification LED, a Type-C connector, a DC input connector, and this is the output side of the RFF, where the tube will run from here toward the printer. On the other side, for now there is only a simple DuPont connector, but later I will replace this with a JST socket. This is the input side. This is where the whole device receives the filament, for example from a dryer, a storage box, or anything similar. And this connector is a motor connector, a standard NEMA motor connector. Inside our device, meaning inside this filament buffer, which from now on I will call RFF, there is a TMC 2208 sitting behind that vent. The reason there is a vent on both sides is that if it heats up, it has a chance to dissipate heat. So there is a TMC 2208 inside, set to a fixed 650 milliamperes value. This will be the new device that I will soon try to bring to market, and this is why I asked you to support me, so it can be developed further and passed on to the testers I would like to send it to. Since many of them asked for payment to test it, I would like to be able to send it to them as well. So thank you to everyone who has already contributed to this topic. I will do my best to honor your support. On the website http-3dps.who, I have created a coupon system. Depending on how much someone supports, they will receive discounts. Of course, I will try to give back as much as I can from it. So this is what the RFF Pro looks like. And yes, it has already seen some life. So yes, this unit has definitely been used. I have been testing it for about 2 months, and now the people whose opinions you trust are coming next. Let's hope they will like it. Oh, yes. Through the Type-C connector, the device will also be able to communicate with Klipper. So from Klipper's point of view, it can even be handled as a separate board. Thank you if you listened to the video all the way through, and see you soon. The device will be available to see at 3DayCon, and we will see how it goes with getting to the Videki Tech event, which will be held in Batanya. I will see whether I take it there or whether I go there at all. So keep an eye on the Hungarian YouTube channels, because hopefully it will appear there soon as well. Oh, yes, a brand label will be added here and here as well, and then it will look nice. Thank you for listening. Bye.